How to find out Vedic Astrology birth chart. Step-by-step guide. First, I will go to an astrology program or website. I use astrosage.com. When you enter the site, there is a birthday information input box at the bottom left. Please enter your exact birth time as accurately as possible. As a sample, let's enter January 1st, 2000 at exactly 12 a.m. Make sure to enter the time as accurately as possible. In Vedic astrology, even a few minutes can change your chart. Also, don't forget to enter the exact city and country of your birth. Since this system defaults to India, entering your correct birthplace is essential for accurate results. After entering, click on Get Kundali. Then this screen will appear. We will use a South Indian style chart, so we need to change the chart style. You can select the chart style and then choose South. Then, click on Birth Chart Kundali, and finally, the Indian astrology chart will appear. What is on the left is called the Lagna chart, which is the Rashi chart we will primarily use. What is on the right is a Navamsa chart that is referenced after marriage or when looking at the later stages of life. In the South Indian style, the second box from the top must be Aries. And in a clockwise direction, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces are arranged. ASC is exactly Lagna. In this chart, Lagna is in the first house, Virgo. The place where Lagna is becomes the first house. And the 12 houses are arranged in a clockwise direction. Shall we check the positions of each planet now? The Sun and Mercury are in the 4th house in Sagittarius. The Moon is in the 2nd house in Libra. Venus is in the 3rd house in Scorpio. Mars is in the 6th house in Aquarius. Jupiter and Saturn are in the 8th house in Aries. Ketu is in the 5th house in Capricorn. And Rahu is in the 11th house in Cancer. Just knowing this much allows you to read your chart at a basic level. However, we can't just stay at the basics, can we? If you want to know more deeply, you will ultimately need to look at the table below. The table contains information on nakshatra and pada, whether it is retrograde, whether it is a combust, and on the right side, there is dasha information. That was our guide on how to check your astrological chart. Thank you for watching.